The future of BVLOS commercial missions has arrived, introducing the Canada Niska 1 VTOL, a complete ready-to-fly package engineered for the most demanding long-distance missions. With our exclusive ArduPilot configuration in tune, you're not just flying, you're executing. Capturing stunning video in 4K on SD card and screen recording onto the controller up to 4 kilometers away with full FPV video and bidirectional telemetry. Unlock capabilities far beyond the horizon. With a flight range of 200 kilometers and up to 3 hours of endurance, Canada Niska 1 is built for expansive photogrammetry and critical inspections. It's the ultimate tool for commercial efficiency, reliability, and growth. The mission is waiting. The future is here. The solution is the Canada Niska 1. Canada Niska, proudly Canadian.